Hello everyone, myself Shweta Gohil and welcome to the session of Microwave and Radar Engineering. Today we will continue our session with semiconductor devices. Previously we have seen impact diode. Today we will see trapet diode. So let's move to the contents of today's session. It will include trapet diode basics, construction of trapet diode, its working principle, advantages, disadvantages, and last applications. Let's move upon trapet diode basics. Firstly, we will see what do you mean by trapet diode. A trapet diode is related to impact diode but offers higher level of efficiency. Trapet diode stands for trapped plasma avalanche triggered transit, which is used for both amplification and oscillator. It was first reported by Prager in 1967. It is PN junction diode characterized by formation of trapped space charged plasma within the junction region. Now let's see construction of trapet diode. A diode comprises of two layers of heavily doped P plus and N plus region, and N doped third layer is used to separate heavily doped layers. For higher power levels, N plus P plus structure is better one. Now let us see working principle of trapet diode. In this condition, diode is operated in reverse bias condition. This reverse bias causes increase in electric field between P plus and N region, and the minority carriers generated attains a very large velocity. The trapet diode is excited using a current pulse. This causes the electric field to increase critical value where avalanche multiplication occurs. At this point, the field collapses locally due to the generated plasma. The separation and drift of the electrons and holes are then driven by very much smaller field. It virtually appears that they have been trapped behind with a velocity smaller than saturation velocity. After the plasma spreads across the whole active region, the holes and electrons begin to drift to opposite terminals, and then electric field begins to rise again. The operation of trapet diode can be seen or can be explained by the graph shown above. In this region, AB shows charging, BC shows plasma formation, DE shows plasma extraction, EF shows residual extraction, FG shows charging. Let us see what happens at each of the points. At point A, the voltage at point A is not sufficient for avalanche breakdown to occur. At A, charge carriers due to thermal generation results in charging of the diode like a linear capacitance. Point A to B, at this point, the magnitude of electric field increases. When a sufficient number of carriers are generated, the electric field is depressed throughout the depletion region, causing the voltage to decrease from B to C. At point C, this charge helps the avalanche to continue and dense plasma of electrons and holes is created. The field is further depressed so as not to let the electrons or holes out of the depletion layer and traps the remaining plasma. At point D, the voltage decreases at point D. A long time is required to clear the plasma as total plasma charge is large compared to the charge per unit time in external current. At point E, the plasma is removed. Residual charges of holes and electrons remains each at one end of the depletion layer. The region between E to F, the voltage increases as the residual charge is removed. At point F, all the charge generated internally is removed. From point F to G, the diode charges like capacitor. At point G, the diode current comes to zero for half a period. The voltage remains constant as shown in the graph. This state continues until the current comes back and the cycle repeats. Now let us see some advantages of trapet diode. 15 to 40% of efficiency is obtained. More suitable for pulsed operation. It is much higher level of efficiency than impact diode. Very low power dissipation is there. It can operate between 3 to 50 gigahertz of frequency range. Some of the disadvantages of trapet diode includes noise figure is greater than 30 dB and it is very noisy. Not suitable for continuous operation because it is very high power densities. Now let us see some of the applications of trapet diode. It is used in low power Doppler radars or local oscillators for radars. It is used in instrumental landing system. It is used in radio altimeters. Hope you like the video. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned.
If you like this video, please subscribe and like our YouTube channel LJPEC and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get latest video update fast.